Hi everyone, it's Brad at My Way, doing it my way in the rod shop. And tonight I accomplished a couple of things actually. I managed to get my steering shaft, I guess we're going to call that, back in place. There's a new coupler underneath of the cover there that I got from Rock Auto. Had no success trying to get the shaft section or full shaft or anything like that for a reasonable price. Rock Auto had the coupler, 22 bucks I think it was. Saved my bacon on that. A couple days it was here. Had other parts on order from Camaro Depot and that forever. Never got them. Still haven't got them. They're still on back order forever. Anyway, so you can see I hung the headers in here. You just got some tie wraps there holding everything up. I actually tried to stuff it down in there with the headers on, and that was unsuccessful. So from what I see there should be plenty of room to put this baby down in. So probably tomorrow night after work, I'm going to lift that baby up and see if we can throw it down under the car. I've got the trans mount and all that other stuff ready to go. Not sure exactly where it is right at the moment. Oh yeah, here it is over here. Here's our transmission mount here. All cleaned up, spiffy nice. Set it over here where I remember where it is. Okay. So there's our transmission mount, our motor transmission, and that's got new pan gasket and new O-rings on the shift down cable, and you know, just a couple small things, nothing major. So hopefully everything is sealed up and good, and we'll pop it back in there. I mean, the motor ran good before. Well, it ran reasonable. I put a new cam and everything in there. A few mislaid wires, you know, that have been out before, so I'm going to re-lume everything, make it pretty. So I'll probably take my time on that, so I may not have it running immediately after I drop it in. Anyway, I'm going to keep it short tonight, so I just wanted to say that the motor is going to be getting installed in the Z28 1981 Z28 T-roof. Has some work to do yet, and yeah, we'll have a drivable car. I'm just going to drive it, not going to worry too much about it being perfect, not at this point anyway. And yeah, so we'll be seeing all you cats later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, we got some new things coming up. Gonna be working on, we'll be working on everything. We're gonna be working on the Model T this spring, winter, spring. We're gonna be working at personalizing our new, to us, 2013 Camaro SS. 6-speed manual in that one. It's real fun to drive. And most of all, staying out of trouble, working in the shop, and having a good time. Doing things my way, and because that's the only way I know how. And I'm the only one here to do it. If anyone else wants to join in, feel free. Come along for a ride.